Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to open LinkedIn account. So first of all, download the LinkedIn on your iOS or Android. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser. And if you want to open a LinkedIn account, just go ahead and to the navigation LinkedIn sign up page, and then type your first name and last name, email address, and then enter password if prompted to do so. Note, you must see your true name when crafting or creating a profile, and then click join now and complete any additional steps as prompted. So basically that's how you sign up with your account. And then note, creating a multiple profiles is not allowed as stated in the professional community policies and user agreement. You can also join LinkedIn using your Google login credentials or your Apple ID credentials with just one click. Signing up with a Google or Apple does not require a password. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.